In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Nvidia. So firstly, open up Nvidia. So if you have the Nvidia app, you can use the app, or else you can also go to their Nvidia official website here, which is nvidia.com. Okay. So once you're here, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on your top right, which is like a little like a person icon there on your top right. So you can click on it to get to your account, and similarly on the app you just have to do the same thing here. Okay, and this will take you to the accounts page here. So once you're on the accounts page here, you will have the option to, if you already have an account, you can just obviously plug your credentials and log in. But if you want to create an account, then if you scroll down, you have the option to create an account with all these options here. If you click on show more, you have different types of options how you can log in or create an account with. So for example, like Google. So you also can also do with your Apple account or your Facebook account as well. So you can just choose any of these to create an account. I will just choose my Google. So I'm just going to click on login with Google. And then once you click on like Google or any other options of your choice, you go to like authorize it. So you go to plug in the details. If you're using Facebook, then you go to plug in the details, credentials of your Facebook, and log in with your Facebook. So here I'm going to just select my Google account and log in with my Google account. So create an account with my Google. So I'm going to just do that. And once you're logged in here, so it's going to ask you to complete your profile. So for that, you need to provide your email address, your name, and also your date of birth. So once you've provided all this information here, so once you've provided all those three information here, you're going to go and click on this create account option. Okay. So here, complete your profile with your email address, display name, and date of birth, and then click on this captcha to confirm you're a human. And once you're done with those things, once done, you go to do is click on create account. So click on create account, and that's it. It will now create an account for you and log you in, and that's basically pretty much it is.